just FYI, our latest series just dropped. Now, this is a patron-only exclusive for our Ultimate members, and trust me, you gotta see this. So, for our Ultimate members, not only do you get entered in all the epic giveaways, but you also get exclusive content now. We just went and picked up a brand new project vehicle for the channel, and I'm sure you're gonna wanna see it. That whole build series will be on our Patreon page only for our Ultimate members. Hit the link, sign up now, and get all the exclusive access as well as the epic car giveaways. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're like this close. This close. All right, let me give you an update. All right, so far we've got fuel system done. Now here's the situation with this car and why we kind of did it like this. For one, the car didn't have all the stock lines on it, and for two, whoever built this car before we got it, or was attempting to, put this giant fuel cell in here that we're still not 100% sure how they got it in. So we're just kind of working with what we got here.
You ain't got the stock trunk floor to put a
yeah, they cut the floor and smoothed it out and put this thing in. So even if we wanted to, without cutting up the whole ass into the car, not putting a tank in it. But hey, they did put a volt gauge right there, which, hey, it's cool. We did get a shiny radiator.
Yeah, I got a new radiator.
Yeah, brand new.
Still got to hook the power steering lines up.
Yeah, hook lines up. Put some fans on.
Means the computer's working though.
Yes. Yeah, we actually started with a computer and fuel this time.
And, the injector's a pulse and it's right.
Yeah, it actually started to kind of settle down and chop a little bit.
Wow,
Just a drop.
I was trying to do good since you said I got it. And, I still missed it. Like going, that ain't the right bolt that goes in there. I hope it moves, huh?
Yeah, this is possibly the first move.
It's gonna move.
It's gonna move. Come on, baby. Pump's running. Yeah, I can hear it. Check for spark here. Plenty of spark. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. What the hell?
So
it just sprayed out. Yeah, that's odd.
Well, it might be enough pressure.
Yeah. See how it does with the deadhead on the return. Maybe that'll.
It may not be enough to flow through the regulator or something. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. Right, trying again. Damn.
At least he, huh?
Yeah. That's wild. Yeah, so we've got the return deadheaded because we were wondering if we weren't getting enough pressure. Hell, it sprayed out when you unhooked it, so it ought to be enough. At least to bust off.
I mean, it was running. I just don't understand why it run a while ago.
Yeah, that doesn't make a bit of sense. All right, we're going to help it along. Ready? That just ain't, I don't know. Damn. That doesn't make any sense.
Just gonna have to go get the bigger pump, huh?
I guess. All right, we got the Backwoods Engineering Grade A today. Oh, we're leaking. Hold on. So this is what we're doing, guys.
It's tight.
Trying to figure out if we got a fueling issue or what we got.
Yeah, it's tight. I don't know what that was.
Well,
This will run it.
I'll run it.
Yeah.
I guess we just did not have enough pressure. We had spark, we had injector pulse, and just could not get it to bust off.
Just ain't enough.
I guess not, yeah. That one was though.
Yeah, this actually did it.
It busted off and ran great. Okay, so the word for our what we got right now is what?
Right. No,
It's not.
it's right now. Not
Yeah,
right.
it's not right. It's right now. I'm gonna show you. We had to do a little work in here, but it works. Screw it. Oh, it's running. Yeah. Perfect for all that work, dude. I do hear a cam. I love it. Fabulous, fabulous. So that was it, all along.
Just wasn't enough pump.
Just not enough pressure. Yep.
Well, I knew it was,
Yeah.
I just felt like it would maybe at least drive out with a little.
Well, yeah, I did too. I mean, we had good pressure when we pulled the line, but apparently it wasn't enough.
Yeah.
And we didn't have to buy a single thing. We made it work somehow.
Yeah.
It's there.
That's what it looks like when you don't want to go to the bar store.
Exactly. Well, the race shop's closed, so we didn't have much option. And we decided we was going to drive this thing out of the shop today. And I think we're about to do that. All right. Possibly it's going to drive for the first time in who knows how long. Come on, baby. Right on. Come on, come on. There it goes. Shit, what is it? Attempt number 2. Yeah. I cannot believe it.
Success.
There is absolutely. This thing, it's been. Well, we first saw it out here like what, 2018?
It's been a while. Make sure that board's under there.
Yeah, let me put this board under here. Yeah, you're on it. You're good. And I'm gonna say they were probably building it several years before that.
Absolutely, yeah.
So this car hasn't driven, I would say probably 12, 15 years at least.
Oh, yeah.
and she just did it.
It's a long way from there, but
Yeah, a very,
at
very,
least I can
very,
move it up.
very long way. Yeah, well, it moved under its own power. That's what's so freaking epic. I love it.
And we got the
Go wrap this one up, guys. It was been a long day, a long thrash trying to get that bad boy mobile, but we got it. We just got to order some more parts to get it actually right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is your cue to get out in the garage and build something too, and drive the damn thing out of the shop, because it's a good feeling. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.